To connect Topstep to Tradingview, start by visiting the official Topstep website and clicking on Earn Funding at the top right. From there, select the buying power that suits you best, considering factors such as profit targets, max positions, and maximum loss limits. Next, create an account by providing your first name, last name, email address, username, and password, and agree to the terms of view and privacy policy. After creating your Topstep account, head over to Trade or Wait and open an account, as Topstep and Trade or Wait integrate with each other. With your Trade or Wait account connected to Topstep, proceed to Tradingview and log in with your account. If you don't have a Tradingview account, create one. It's easy. On Tradingview, hover over Brokers and click on any of the featured brokers. Then, click on Trade and close the pop-up window. Scroll down to Connect through our trusted brokers and look for Trade or Wait. If it's not at the top, click on All Brokers and search for it. Once found, click on it and input your Trade or Wait username and password. Then press Connect. If connected successfully, you can start using Topstep on Tradingview, as they are interconnected.